Fire dispatch on the air. Engine 1, Engine 3, Engine 2, Truck 1, Car 3, respond to commercial alarm. The address 165, 165 Mason Street, listed as Pasquarella Mason for the general fire alarm activation. Repeating, Engine 1, Engine 3, Engine 2, Truck 1, Car 3, commercial alarm, 165 Mason Street for the general fire alarm activation. Cross there, East Elm Street in the Village Square. Operator on Channel 1, time is 12:26.